Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, friends. We are very happy you are here with us today.
If you are learning English and you want to improve your listening and speaking, this is the perfect place for you.
Yes, on this channel we practice real-life English conversations in a slow and easy way.
And today, we have a very fun and very practical topic.
That's right. Today we are going to learn fast food vocabulary.
Fast food is very popular all around the world.
People eat fast food when they are busy, when they are traveling, or when they just want something quick and delicious.
In today's lesson, we will learn common fast food words, useful expressions, and how to order food in English.
We will also do some small role plays so you can practice real conversations.
And remember, you can pause the video and repeat after us.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's talk about what fast food means.
Fast food is food that is prepared very quickly.
Yes, you usually buy it in a restaurant and take it away.
Or sometimes you eat it there.
Common fast food restaurants sell burgers, fries, pizza, sandwiches, fried chicken, and more.
Let's ask our viewers a question.
Good idea.
Everyone watching, tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite fast food?
Is it pizza?
Or burgers?
Maybe fried chicken?
We would love to know. Now let's learn some very common fast food vocabulary.
We will say the words slowly, and you can repeat after us.
Ready?
Let's begin.
Burger.
Burger.
A burger is bread with meat inside.
Usually, it has lettuce, tomato, cheese, and sauce.
Example. Sentence. I would like a burger, please.
I love cheeseburgers.
Now you try. Next word. Fries.
Fries are thin pieces of fried potato.
In some countries, people say French fries.
Example sentence. Can I get fries with that?
I love fries with ketchup.
Now repeat.
Fries. Next word. Pizza.
Pizza is very popular all over the world.
It has bread, tomato sauce, cheese, and toppings.
Toppings can be chicken, vegetables, or pepperoni.
Example sentence. Let's order pizza tonight.
What topping do you want?
Next word. Sandwich.
A sandwich is food between two slices of bread.
Example. I want a chicken sandwich.
I ate a sandwich for lunch.
Next vocabulary. Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets are small pieces of fried chicken.
Many people dip them in sauce.
Example sentence. I ordered chicken nuggets.
My kids love chicken nuggets. Now let's talk about drinks.
Drinks are very common when ordering fast food.
Let's learn some common drink words. Soda.
Soda is a sweet, fizzy drink.
Soda is a sweet, fizzy drink.
Example sentence. I would like a soda.
Do you want a large soda? Next word. Milkshake.
A milkshake is a cold, sweet drink made with milk and ice cream.
Common flavors are chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry.
Example. I want a chocolate milkshake.
This milkshake is delicious. Another important drink is water.
Water is always a healthy choice.
Example sentence. I would like a bottle of water. When ordering fast food, you often choose the size.
Restaurants usually have 3 sizes.
Small.
Medium.
Large.
Example conversation.
What size drink would you like?
Medium, please.
Let's practice.
Repeat after me. Small.
Medium.
Large.
Now let's practice a real fast food conversation.
Imagine you are at a fast food restaurant.
I will be the customer.
And I will be the cashier. Hello. Welcome. What would you like?
Hi. I would like a burger and fries.
What size fries?
Medium, please.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, a cola, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $5.
Thank you. Great. That is a very common fast food conversation.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Repeat after me. I would like a burger.
I would like fries.
I would like a drink. Now let's learn some useful phrases.
These phrases are very helpful in restaurants.
I would like.
This is a polite way to order food.
Example. I would like a burger.
I would like fries.
Can I get?
This phrase is also very common.
Example. Can I get a cheeseburger?
Can I get a milkshake?
That's all?
This means you finished ordering.
I would like fries and a soda. That's all. Now let's talk about favorite foods.
This is great speaking practice.
Example. My favorite fast food is pizza.
My favorite fast food is fried chicken.
Now think about your answer.
What is your favorite fast food?
Say it out loud. Let's practice a conversation.
I will ask the questions.
And you answer.
What is your favorite fast food?
Students answer.
Do you like burgers?
Students answer.
Do you prefer pizza or fries?
Students answer.
Great job practicing.
Let's imagine a situation. You go to a fast food restaurant with a friend. Here is a conversation example. What do you want to eat?
I think I want a burger.
That sounds good.
What about you?
I want chicken nuggets.
Do you want fries too?
Yes, let's share fries.
Great idea.
Did you notice something?
Yes, in this conversation, we used many fast food words.
Burger.
Chicken nuggets.
Fries. Now let's do a quick listening challenge.
I will say a sentence.
And you listen carefully.
Sentence. 1. I would like a cheeseburger and fries.
Sentence 2. Can I get a chocolate milkshake?
Sentence. 3. What size drink would you like?
Did you understand all the sentences?
If yes, great job.
Fast food is different in every country.
Yes, some countries have unique fast food.
For example, in the USA, people love burgers.
In Italy, people love pizza.
In Japan, people enjoy rice bowls and noodles. Food culture is very interesting. Tell us in the comments.
What fast food is popular in your country?
Now we have a small challenge for you.
Let's say it slowly.
Try to say this sentence. I would like a burger, fries, and a milkshake. Let's say it slowly. I would like
A burger
fries.
and a milkshake.
Very good. Before we finish, let's review today's vocabulary.
Repeat after us.
Burger,
Fries,
pizza,
sandwich,
chicken nuggets,
milkshake,
soda,
medium.
small, large. Let's finish with one final role play.
This will help you remember everything.
Hello, what would you like?
Would like a cheeseburger.
Would you like fries?
Yes, please.
What size?
Large.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, a chocolate milkshake.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Today we learned many fast food words.
We learned burger, fries, pizza, sandwich, chicken nuggets, milkshake, and soda.
We also practiced useful phrases.
Like, I would like, and can I get?
And we practiced real conversations.
These conversations will help you speak English in real life.
Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
We hope this lesson helped you understand fast food vocabulary.
Remember, practice a little English every day.
And don't be afraid to speak.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video
Subscribe to the channel for more easy English conversations.
and share this video with a friend who is learning English.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye and happy learning.